Oh my God! Wow!
Advertising collaboration for Tech Raj. Our PR team really liked the style of your content on your YouTube channel, and we would like to offer you a long-term commercial cooperation with our company. In case you don't know about our company, we would like to sign a long-term contract with your YouTube channel. We always strive for good relations with our bloggers, and are ready to pay decent payment for the work done. Your payment will be $500 for showing our product in your video. It can be any product from our site. First of all, we are ready to provide you with any of our products for review. After the video is released, you can keep it for yourself. If you do not have the opportunity to show our product in the video, then you can insert a video review prepared by us. It is also available in the attached archive. Also, a special promo code will be provided for your audience with a 25% discount on any product, so we will calculate the incoming traffic from your channel. Also, orders with your promo code will receive additional payments, depending on sales. You can learn more about this in the attached bonus calculator. So, if you are interested and willing to cooperate with us, then here is what you need to do. First of all, we have prepared an archive with promotional materials for you. It includes a video with the details of the collaboration, in which you can also find your advertiser code, which you can enter into our interactive product catalog to get our products for review on the rights of the advertiser. The video also includes a segment that you can simply insert into your video as a preview clip, if that's more convenient for you. Also in the archive you can find our interactive catalog with our products. With the code you can get in the video, you can write out Hypix products from it for your review. Password from the archive Hypix.
Hold up. Wait a minute. Something ain't right. Hey.
Oh shit! Alright!
You're right. I am crazy. Another one. Another one. Thank you, God. Victory!
You suck! You're a no talent! You disgrace! You're everything that's gone wrong in this world!